Hi everyone, welcome to back the channel. Auto Rush. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado has arrived, and with it, a new chapter in the world of mid-size pickup trucks. It brings a combination of strength, technology, and modern design, all while promising durability and reliability that could make it an ideal companion for daily work, family duties, and travel, whether you're in the city or heading into the rural countryside. Chevy's reputation in the pickup segment has been built over decades, and this year, with the 2025 model, it's clear that the engineers and designers at Chevrolet were aiming to redefine what a mid-sized truck should offer. The new Colorado is not just about muscle, it's about smart muscle. It's not just about how far it can go, but also about how comfortably and efficiently it gets you there. The 2025 Colorado is built on a strong foundation. Its chassis has been improved to handle rough terrain, heavy loads, and everyday city use. Whether you're transporting goods, going off-road, or simply using it for your family, this truck offers balance. It comes in different trims, each catering to unique needs, ranging from the basic work truck for job sites to the high-performance ZR2 for rough-road enthusiasts. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers a turbocharged 2.7-liter engine across all variants. This engine has been tuned differently depending on the trim. For those seeking balance between power and fuel economy, the standard output variant offers excellent performance. For those needing extra strength, higher output variants deliver more horsepower and torque, ideal for towing or hauling. This makes the 2025 Colorado both versatile and capably ideal for people who need to rely on their vehicle every single day. From an Islamic perspective, practicality and moderation are important values. We are taught to avoid extravagance, to use what we have in a balanced and wise manner. The 2025 Chevy Colorado fits within this mindset. It provides modern technology, but doesn't overdo it. It gives power and performance, but not at the expense of economy. It respects your need for comfort, safety, and efficiency. Inside the cabin, the changes are impressive. The 2025 Colorado now features a modern and driver-focused interior. Large digital displays replace traditional dials, offering useful information at a glance. Connectivity is central, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard across trims. The truck also comes with built-in Google services, such as Google Maps and Google Assistant. These features allow drivers to stay connected and productive without being distracted, and can even assist in navigating long journeys or planning travel for jumbo or ride gatherings with ease. One of the most appreciated changes in the new Colorado is the ride quality. It feels more refined, more comfortable, even on rough roads. That's an important point, especially in many parts of the world where roads aren't always smooth or well maintained. Whether you're heading to the masjid in your neighborhood or traveling across regions for family visits or work, comfort matters. Chevy has also worked on safety. The 2025 Colorado comes with several driver assistance systems like forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. These features are especially important when we reflect on the Islamic value of preserving life. Taking precautions to ensure our safety and the safety of others is not just responsibly, it's part of our faith. Now let's talk about versatility. The truck bed is more than just a cargo space. It's been reimagined to support your daily work or lifestyle. There's now a built-in tailgate storage compartment. That may sound small, but it's very practical. You can store tools, emergency supplies, or even picnic items securely. For people who use their truck to support small businesses or transport goods, these thoughtful features are deeply beneficial. If you choose the ZR2 trim, you're looking at a truck designed for serious off-road travel. It has Multimatic DSSV dampers, improved ground clearance, and 33-inch tires. Whether you're heading to a remote village, a nature reserve, or simply enjoying time away from the city with your family, this truck can handle almost any terrain. But even then, the ZR2 is not just about toughness, it's about intelligent toughness. It helps you go further without pushing the limits irresponsibly. The interior materials have also been improved. Higher trims feature soft-touch materials, leather-wrapped steering wheels, and even heated seats. Yet even in the base trims, comfort hasn't been forgotten. That kind of thoughtful design is important for anyone who spends hours behind the wheel. Sometimes, especially in Muslim communities. We use our vehicles not just for work but for dua, community support, and volunteering. A dependable and comfortable vehicle becomes a tool for service. Another key aspect is fuel economy. The 2025 Colorado, with its efficient turbocharged engine, offers decent fuel economy for its size and capabilities. In a world where we are encouraged to avoid wastefulness, this matters. It reflects a balance between power and responsibility. We are stewards of the earth, and any vehicle that helps us reduce our footprint while still meeting our needs is a blessing. Chevrolet has also improved the infotainment and user experience. The dashboard is intuitive, with clear menus and responsive touchscreens. Voice commands make it safer to operate while driving. And for those who like a bit of personalization, different themes and layouts are available. It's a vehicle that adjusts to you and not the other way around. Another notable update is the availability of multiple drive modes. Whether you're driving through snow, sand, mud, or towing a trailer, you can select the mode that fits your journey. Again, we come back to the idea of adaptability as something that aligns with Islamic principles of readiness and preparation. Whether you're embarking on a road trip for ride holidays or doing your daily errands, the truck adapts to serve you better. Towing capacity is another area where the 2025 Colorado shines. With a maximum capacity of over 7,700 pounds in the high-output version, it can haul trailers, boats, or work equipment for farmers, business owners, and even families who camp or travel. This level of strength is a serious advantage. One feature worth highlighting is Chevy's advanced camera system. Available on higher trims, it gives you up to 10 camera views. This makes parking, towing, and off-roading safer and easier. It's especially helpful for those who drive in tight urban areas or through crowded marketplaces. And what about durability? Chevrolet tested the new Colorado in extreme conditions, from desert heat to icy roads. It's built to last, something we all value. In Islam, we're taught to invest in things that serve us long-term and avoid waste. A truck that lasts many years without major repairs is more than a purchase, it's a wise decision. Now let's look at ownership. Chevrolet offers a competitive warranty, including coverage for the powertrain and corrosion protection. Parts are also widely available in most regions, and service centers are easy to access. This kind of support gives peace of mind. You won't be left stranded if something goes wrong. Another thoughtful element is the design of the truck itself. The exterior